Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.